Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. We're going to let Kelsey go ahead and secure this downspout, show you how easy it really is to secure your downspout to your house. So what we're doing right now is we're going to go ahead and secure this downspout. We're using our little handy dandy drill that might spin a little bit. Hold it tight. There you go. Push it right in hard. Keep pushing. Push. There it goes. Perfect. Good. Pull it off. Okay, so what we've done is we've put a strap behind it. We'll push our downspout back, line it up straight, and then we're going to bend this around. In the front, we'll put another screw there to hold it together. Okay, so we're ready to go ahead and put our strap on. Got to push hard. Perfect. Perfect. So you can see Kelsey just made her first repair.
Hi!
She made her first repair, and real simple thing, but it's real important because this downspout was loose and we need it to stay tight so that it goes down into the downspout drain and can't be kicked because this is on the corner of the patio. So that's that.
So I'm back and I gotta show you this. This is where the gas line is, and of course I always look both ways. You know, you don't want to get ran over like the squirrel I saw down the street. Oh, horrible for him. God bless him. It's the gas line. Always mark the gas line before you do anything, because or else you and a lot of other people in the neighborhood will get blown up. So this is where they cut the concrete right here. They trenched about 260 feet. They put the pipe in, and gosh, it's cold out here.